Hello, today I have a great news for all of you guys, and finally Cydia is available for Chimera jailbreak, and also you can get it on Electra jailbreak also. You can go to Silo and then you can click on sources, click on the plus button and add this repo, and then you can go ahead and install Cydia for Chimera and Electra. Click on get and confirm, and click on done, and back to your home screen. You will find Cydia icon on the home screen here. You can open, and it is working perfectly fine like you see. If you want to have only Cydia on your jailbroken device, you can remove Silo. You can go to Silo and click on sources and go to the same repo that we have just added before, and you need to install this package called remove Silo and click install, and then you will be able to use Cydia only on your iPhone. And thanks for watching. Hope you like this video and see you in the next one.